Hello, restaurants, cafes, and hospitality business owners. I want you to watch this short video. This is because I have personally talked with top restaurants and business owners and how they succeeded in their business. Let me ask you this. Are you struggling to manage your restaurant efficiently? Frustrated with endless phone orders, high staffing costs, and long wait times? Tired of paying high commission fees to delivery apps that eat away your profit? What if you could simplify your operation, increase sales, and take full control of your restaurant without investing in expensive hardware? FoodCharm is an all-in-one point of sale, online ordering system, and marketing solution designed to help you grow faster and smarter. I am going to cover 9 major points which every restaurant or hospitality business owners needs to automate, manage, scale, and keep acquiring repeated customers. Let me start with the most important one: table or QR code ordering. If your restaurant has multiple tables, managing them efficiently becomes a major challenge. The more tables you have, the more waiters you need to take orders. And with that comes a series of problems. High labor costs. Whether your restaurant is at peak hours or experiencing a slow day, you still have to pay high wages to your staff. Order delays. If a waiter is busy with another table, customers have to wait to place an order, which leads to frustration. Wrong orders or errors. Handwritten orders can be messy or prone to mistakes. Miscommunication between the waiters and the kitchen can result in wrong dishes being served. Staffing issues in many developing regions. In many countries, finding professional trained wait staff is a major challenge, leading to inconsistent service quality. Paper menu have its own limitations, as it doesn't have images. Customers struggle to decide because a picture is worth 1,000 words. High printing costs. Updating menus due to seasonal changes or unavailable items become expensive and impractical with paper menu. With FoodCharm's innovative QR code ordering system, everything changes. Customers simply scan a QR code on the table, browse the menu, place an order, and pay all from their smartphone. No more waiting for a waiter. Orders go directly to the kitchen, reducing delays and errors. Huge savings on labor costs. Restaurants can cut down on staffing expenses while improving service speed and accuracy. Marketing power and customer data. With every order, you collect customer's name, email, and phone number to upsell, offer discounts, and run future marketing campaigns. This is priceless. Dynamic digital menu. Each item can display an image, making it easier for customers to decide what to eat. Easily update a menu with seasonal dishes or remove unavailable items in just few clicks. No more reprinting costs. The end result and benefits for your business: more customers, fewer staff, and higher profits for you. With FoodCharm, your restaurant is just not running, it will be thriving. Now let's talk about one of the most essential features every quick service restaurant, food truck, and fast food chains needs: takeaway and pickup ordering. The game changer for quick service restaurants. If you run a busy fast food restaurant like McDonald's, Subway, or local QSR, you know how difficult it is to manage takeaway orders efficiently. But don't worry, FoodCharm has a perfect solution. Common challenges with QSR and takeaway services have, like long waiting queues. Customers stand in line, pay first, and then wait for the order to be prepared. This frustrates them and slows your service. Expensive hardware. For order automation, big brands like McDonald's have self-service kiosks. But let's be real, most businesses can't afford such an expensive setup. Phone orders is equal to high risk of errors. Miscommunication and incorrect orders leads to unhappy customers. Language barriers can make ordering difficult, especially in tourist places. Peak hour phone calls go unanswered, resulting loss of sales. Lost revenue from no-show orders. Customers who place cash orders over the phone sometimes never pick them up, leading to wasted food and lost business. The FoodCharm solution: smart takeaway and pickup ordering. With FoodCharm, Your takeaway service is fully digital, fast, and error-free. No waiting, no miscommunication. Customers visit your unique web ordering site powered by FoodChow and place their order without calling or waiting in line. Free payment for guaranteed revenue. Customer pay in advance, schedule the pickup time, ensuring they show up and you get paid. No more no-show losses and wasted food. Plus, multi-language digital menu. Tourists, no problem. FoodChow supports multiple language in menu, so customers can order in their preferred language without confusion. Works with any device. No expensive kiosk needed. No need for costly self-ordering kiosk. FoodChow works on every smartphone, tablet, or PC. Just connect a low-cost Bluetooth printer and your takeaway system is ready to go. 24/7 order acceptance, even when you are closed. Customer can place orders even outside your working hours, boosting your sales. Higher efficiency is equal to more profit. How will your business benefit? More orders, less waiting time, no more missed calls and lost business. Guaranteed revenue with prepaid orders. Higher profit with 24/7 order acceptance. Let FoodChow handle your takeaway and pickup orders while you focus on delivering great food. You can get started and transform your business. The third most important feature that restaurants and hospitality business owners absolutely need is a reliable, cost-effective delivery system. Most businesses like yours don't have in-house delivery drivers and are forced to rely on third-party platforms. But at what cost? Let's talk about the major problems with third-party delivery platforms. High commission eating away your profit. Most platforms charge 20 to 40% commission on every order, significantly reducing your earnings. No direct customer relationship. You don't own your customer data, meaning you can't engage, upsell, or build long-term loyalty. Your reputation is at risk. Delivery delays or incorrect orders handled by the third-party drivers can lead to bad reviews, and your restaurant gets blamed even when it's not your fault. No control over future price hikes or ranking. If these platforms increase commission, you have no choice but to pay more. They can rank your competitor higher, making it harder for your restaurant to get visibility. The harsh truth, you are building their business, not yours. The FoodChow solution, in-house and third-party delivery integration. With FoodChow flexible delivery system, you can take back control. Have your own drivers? No problem. You can easily set up your own delivery zones and fees based on distance. Offer minimum order value of free delivery over a certain amount to boost large orders. No third-party commission. Keep 100% of your revenue. Don't have a driver? Then easily integrate with local delivery companies like Uber Eats, Skip the Dish, Porter, or any other companies located in your country. We will do the integration for you for a minimum cost. FoodChow seamlessly connects with local delivery providers in your area. You can choose the best partner for your business while keeping direct customer control. Lower prices is equal to more loyal customers. Unlike food delivery apps where you mark up prices to cover high commission, with FoodChow you can pass the savings to your customers. This means you attract and retain repeat customers instead of just one-time deal hunters hopping between restaurants. The end result and benefit for your business: more control over your business, faster and more reliable deliveries, direct customer engagement, and repeat orders. So start using FoodChow today and take control of your restaurant delivery service without paying the high commission. One of the biggest missed opportunity for restaurant is not having structured bulk or catering menu. The problem: why restaurants lose big without a bulk ordering system? Most restaurants don't offer structured pricing for parties, catering, or large group orders. Customers booking catering for events have to select multiple individual items, making the process complicated, time-consuming, and expensive. Now imagine this. Instead of customers ordering everything separately, which could cost $60 per person, you offer a catering package for 10 people at $45 per person, including a starter, main course, dessert, and drinks. This is easier for customers. One simple package means they don't have to pick up items individually. Bigger orders, higher sales. Instead of multiple small orders, they place one large order for the entire group. Predictable cost, no wastage. If a customer books a 100% catering order at $45 per person, you know exactly what is needed. No shortages, no excess food, and no last minute stress. Imagine the sales potential. Let's say you get a 100% catering order at $45 per person. That's a $4,500 sale from a single order. Now, if you book a wedding, a corporate event, or a large party for 300 people, that's a $10,500 sale in just one day. And since you already know exactly how much food to prepare, you maximize profit without overstocking or last minute chaos. The Food Chow solution, prepaid orders and bulk ordering made simple. With Food Chow, handling bulk and pre orders is effortless. Allow customer to pre-order meals. Customer can schedule orders for the next day, weekend, or even weeks ahead. This helps your kitchen plan better, schedule staff efficiently, and avoid last-minute rushes. Bulk and catering order management. Offer customized menus for large orders tailored to office lunches, corporate meetings, weddings, and parties. Accept and track catering requests easily, ensuring smooth execution. Flexible menus for different meal times. Create separate menus for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, so customers always see what's available at what time. No confusion, no manual updates, just simplest menu management. You can also reduce wastage and maximize profit. With pre-orders, you only prepare what is needed, reducing food wastage and saving of cost. Larger order means higher sales volume and predictable revenue. Also, it is seamlessly integrated with our point of sale. The best part, Food Chow's bulk ordering system is fully integrated with our point of sale software. No need for third-party apps or complex integration. Everything is managed in one place. So what's the end result and benefit for your business? Well-planned kitchen operation, more bulk and catering orders, no more last-minute chaos, higher sales and predictable revenue, happy customers and bigger profit. With Food Chow, you don't just take orders, you take control. Start accepting pre-orders and bulk orders today for free. Get started and unlock new revenue stream for your restaurant. So far, we have seen how online ordering, delivery, takeaway and table ordering can help your business grow and increase profit. Now let's talk about solution number 5, a must-have for every restaurant. A fast and flexible point of sale system for quick billing and easy payment. Let me talk about the problem with traditional point of sale system. Most point of sale system require you to buy expensive hardware like touchscreen PCs, cash drawers and special printers, which can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000. Limited capability. Many POS systems only work on specific operating system like Windows or iPad, restricting your choice. No integration with online orders and delivery. Most POS systems don't connect with your website, online orders or delivery system, causing manual data entry and delays. The Food Chow solution, a POS that works anywhere, works on all devices and operating system. Food Chow POS runs on desktops, laptops, tablets and even smartphones. Whether you use Windows, Android or iOS, you are covered. Fully integrated with online ordering and delivery. Unlike other POS software, Food Chow syncs with your website and online orders. No manual data entry, no missed orders, just seamless processing. Start with your own device, no expensive hardware needed. Simply connect your Android or iPhone to a low-cost Bluetooth printer and start billing instantly. No need for costly touch PCs or bulky cash drawers. The most affordable point of sale system starting at less than $1 a day. We have a POS solution for all type of restaurants, from small cafes to large dining chains. And the best part, we are constantly adding new features based on your feedback and restaurant's need. And the end result and benefit for your business, quick billing and faster payments. No costly hardware, works on Android, iPhone, iPad or Windows. Seamless integration with online ordering and delivery. Affordable pricing for every business. So, start using Food Chow point of sale today and experience the easiest way to manage your restaurant billing without breaking the bank. Now, as we have everything set up from table ordering, online ordering, POS and menu management, let's talk about the next most important step. Solution number 6, restaurant marketing. If you are a new restaurant, this is the most crucial part of your journey. Getting customers through your doors, breaking even and sustaining long-term success depends on smart marketing. At the end of the day, restaurants only survive with word of mouth, high quality food, and great customer experience. But to get there, you need to attract new customers consistently. The problem: how do you get more customers, especially during off-peak hours? New restaurants struggle to get foot traffic. Relying on walk-ins is risky. Your restaurant might be full on weekends, but what about weekdays? Spending too much time on ads without results? This is where Foodchow restaurant marketing system helps you fill your restaurant during slow hours without cutting into your profits. Foodchow solution: smart automated restaurant marketing. Target customers during off-peak hours. Simply log on to your Foodchow admin panel and schedule an offer for specific time when your business is slow. Choose a flat discount or a percentage based on takeaway or dine-in meals. Customer actively looking for deals will discover restaurant on Foodchow website and mobile app to claim the offer. Limit the number of discounts available to them so they are not open to everyone, allowing you to control your profit margin. Launch discount, coupons, and combo deals. Offer special discounts to loyal customers to encourage repeat visits. Create combo meals deals to boost order value. Send out promotion via WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook ads, reaching more people without spending a fortune. Use social media and WhatsApp for direct marketing. Easily share your offers and coupons with existing customers through WhatsApp marketing and social media ads that attract new customers to visit your restaurant. The end result and benefit for your business will be increase in sales during slow hours, more new customers willing to try your restaurant, higher revenue from repeat customers. Simply automate marketing that works while you focus on running your business. So start using Foodchow marketing tools today and turn your slow hours into peak hours without spending a fortune. Now that we have covered online ordering, POS system, and menu management, let's move to the point number 7: establishing a professional restaurant website. Having a dedicated website is not just an option, it's a must-have in today's digital world. Why a restaurant website is essential? Well-designed website act as your restaurant digital storefront, allowing customers to explore your menu, promotion, and special offers in one place. Place orders directly without paying third-party commission. Make reservation without calling or waiting. Find your location, opening hours, and contact information instantly. Did you know 77% of diners visit a restaurant website before deciding to dine in or order takeout? If you don't have a website, you could be losing potential customers to competitors who do. The challenges of not having a website: inconsistent information. If your details are scattered across third-party platforms, customers may get confused or miss out on updates. Lost business from missed calls. Without a website, customers call to ask about the menu, availability, or offers, which increases your staff workload and lead to missed orders. High cost of third-party apps. Relying on food delivery apps means paying higher commission on every order. Why not take orders directly and keep 100% of your revenue? The Foodchow website solution gets orders instantly. Fully functional website, no coding needed. Get a professional mobile-friendly website instantly with Foodchow. No need to spend on expensive developers or month of waiting. Direct online ordering so that zero commission for all the cash orders. Customers can place orders, book tables, and access exclusive deals all in one place. Stop paying high commission to third-party apps. Own your own customers' relationship. The whole website will be designed as per your brand. Choose from multiple templates or get a fully customized website. Highlight your story, unique dishes, best-selling items to create strong brand presence. We have affordable pricing and flexible payment plans. Website packages starting from only $500 and custom website from $2,000. Monthly installment plans are also available to get started without a upfront large cost. The end result: improved customer experience, easy browsing, ordering, and reservation. Stronger brand identity, build credibility, and stand out from your competition. Increase sales and online visibility. Get found by more local customers. Invest in your restaurant's future today with a Foodchow website you will own your online presence and maximize profit without relying on third-party platform. Next step, get your website on top of Google. Now that your website is set up, let's move to the next important step, SEO. Because what's the point of a website if nobody can find it? With SEO, we'll get your restaurant to rank on top of Google and attract more customers organically. Let's dive into the SEO next. Did you know that 90% of Google's revenue comes from advertising on its search engine? And here's another crazy fact. 90% of people worldwide use Google to search for information and products. Now let me show you why SEO is the key to getting your restaurant in front of customers. And I promise the real numbers and facts will surprise you. Success rate of restaurant implementing SEO. Think SEO doesn't work for restaurants? Think again. Here's what real businesses have experienced. Restaurants using SEO see a 15 to 20% increase in revenue thanks to better online visibility and more orders. 97% of diners search online to find restaurant, and 70% of these searches are near me queries. A UK restaurant group increased table bookings by 79% and saw a 60% jump in online reservation just by focusing on SEO. One catering restaurant boosted its organic leads by 336% with SEO alone. If these businesses can grow their sales with SEO, why not yours? The ROI of SEO for restaurants. Now let's talk about return on investment, because at the end of the day, marketing should make you money, not drain it. Restaurants that invest in SEO see an ROI of 147% to 362%, meaning for every $1 spent, they earn up to $3.62 back. The food industry generates 1 million plus in annual revenue from SEO driven traffic. 49% of marketers say SEO provides highest ROI, even beating social media and paid ads. Over 2 to 3 years, SEO delivers a 5:1 ROI, a 500% plus, making it one of the most cost-effective marketing strategies for restaurants. Why SEO is better than social media ads? Any restaurant spend thousands on social media ads, but here is the reality. SEO gives an 8x return on investment, while PPC and social media ads only deliver 4x ROI. The problem with social media ads, they stop working the moment you stop paying. SEO, on the other hand, keep driving organic traffic for months, even years, without additional costs. Restaurants without SEO spend 4x more on ads just to stay visible. 70% of marketers say SEO brings in more actual sales than paid advertising. Social media is great for short-term promotion, but if you want sustained high-intent customers searching for a restaurant like yours, SEO is a smarter long-term play. Why every restaurant should invest in SEO? Still not convinced? Let's look at what customers are actually doing online. 90% of diners search a restaurant online before visiting. 76% of people who search restaurants near me visit a business within 24 hours. 28% of those searches result in a purchase. That means 1 in 4 people searching for food online will become your paying customer. SEO driven leads have a 14.6% conversion rate, far higher than social media marketing. SEO helps restaurants cut marketing costs, increase margins, and get long-term results. 88% of diners trust online reviews as much as personal recommendation, meaning ranking higher on Google builds instant credibility for your restaurant. Ready to rank higher and grow your restaurant? If you are serious about growing your restaurant, getting more reservations, and increasing in sales, SEO is not an option, it's a necessity. Let FoodChow handle your SEO. We have been doing SEO and internet marketing for 15 years. We have a proven success in helping restaurants rank higher. Our packages start from just $150 to $500 per month per outlet. Try it out for 6 months and watch your business grow. With FoodChow, we don't just run ads, we run laser-targeted ads to attract the perfect customers for your restaurant. Reach nearby customers with proximity ads. Your ads only appear to people within your delivery radius or nearby neighborhood. This ensures you are not wasting ad spend on people too far away to visit your restaurant. Promote real-time offers, coupons, and deals. Remember the real-time discounts, coupons, and combo deals we created earlier? Now we push them directly to your audience to Facebook or Instagram ads. Target customers based on food preferences. Love pizza? Your ad shows up for pizza lovers. Looking for healthy food, your ad appears for fitness conscious customers. This way, you are only advertising to people who are most likely to order from you. Instant client acquisition and higher ROI. Unlike SEO, which builds traffic over time, Facebook and Instagram ads bring in instant customers. Start with just $300 per month with FoodChown social media ad package. Try it for 3 months and see the difference in your sales. The end result? More walk-ins, more orders, and more online reservations. Instant new customers who are already interested in your food. Better ROI from hyper-local food-specific targeting. Let FoodChown handle your ads while you focus on running your restaurant. So you have set up online ordering for marketing ads, but what if you have limited budget and don't want to run paid ads? Don't worry. FoodChown Marketplace has got you covered. Get free customers with the power of FoodChown. With FoodChown's growing website traffic and high Google ranking, your restaurant will automatically get new customers searching for food online. FoodChown ranks on multiple keywords on Google, meaning more people find your restaurant without you spending a dime on ads. Your restaurant will be listed on FoodChown Android and iPhone app along with website, making it easier for nearby customers to discover you. The better offers and discounts you provide, the higher you rank on FoodChown, bringing in even more customers. So even if you are not running ads, you are still attracting new customers all for free. Get started with FoodChown 100% free plan. We believe every restaurant deserves a fair chance to grow. So we are giving you complete online ordering for free, no commission on cash transaction. Free POS system includes 500 transactions at no cost. So you can try it out and see the benefit. We don't charge you upfront. We want you to experience the value. My mission is simple: to help restaurants and hospitality business owners worldwide compete with big brands by giving them the tools they need to succeed. Just like you need my support, I need your feedback to help build new features that will make running your business even easier. Together, we can help the entire restaurant community thrive. Ready to get started? If you are ready to take your restaurant online for free, let's move on to FoodChown onboarding videos to learn how to set up and start accepting orders